This is one of the most advanced and sophisticated vaccine storage facilities in the Philippines.
So roughly, we prepare around 14 million for this area. In 2 weeks' time, we were able to put up this vaccination storage facility specifically for COVID vaccine only. We have in this facility 12 refrigeration units of different types of vaccine.
Funds have also been allocated to purchase coronavirus vaccines for millions of its people. But the situation isn't the same in many rural towns. In the small town of Talavera in Nueva Ecija province, villagers say they are allocating about 10% of their annual budget to the purchase of coronavirus vaccines. It's money that was meant for infrastructure and education.
What is it you're trying to focus?
Bansa naman po natin, hindi ganun kayaman.
Unlike rich countries, we know that the Philippines is struggling. The national government cannot provide vaccines for everyone. That is why we decided to contribute for the good of our constituents.
In Talavera,
This is the freezer.
this refrigerator is a lifeline. It stores vaccines for polio and measles and will be able to keep COVID vaccines that don't need sophisticated cold storage systems.
While other wealthier cities are able to set up separate vaccination facilities, rural health clinics like this one will have to serve as main vaccine hubs, at least for now. But despite meager resources, health workers here tell us they are ready, and all they're waiting for now is for the coronavirus vaccines to actually arrive.
The government says it expects to vaccinate 25% of its 110 million people by the end of this year. But while other countries have started inoculations, vaccines have not even arrived in the Philippines.
We've been on our feet almost 24 hours a day. It's really very exhausting. The vaccine is, although this is not the total solution to the pandemic, but it surely will offer a very significant solution to this pandemic.
Still, the prospect of them provides hope to millions of Filipinos already weary of the pandemic. Jamela, Alindogan, Jazeera, Talavera, Nueva Ecija Province, Northern Philippines.